Hello and welcome to our demonstration of the Ava Options trading application. This is the main trading screen. We can see bid and ask, today's high and low and close for the last day. Swipe left to see implied volatility charts for different currency pairs, implied volatility numbers, leverage, overnight interest rates, and tolerance settings. Let's click on Euro USD to set up a trade. This is our main trading screen. We pinch here to bring in more historical data. If you buy 1 million Euro USD and the market goes higher, you will earn profits. If you sell and the market goes higher, you will have losses. Let's put in limit orders. Buying below the market price is an entry, buy limit. Buying above is a buy stop. For closing orders, we can enter take profit and or stop loss orders. Let's change the chart from candles to an area chart. Let's look at some option strategies by clicking the strategy button. Here is a call option. Change the expiration date at the top. Here's a put with different strikes and expiration dates. Sell a call, buy a call. Let's have a look at our new strategy guide. I'll choose a currency pair, USD JPY. This is the profit loss diagram for buying spot. I can see my profit and loss in dollars or in price or in JPY. Let's click on the strategy guide. Click the strategy button and click on the blue strategy guide. All of our icons are now blue. We can examine any strategy by clicking it. Choose put. Here is an explanation of a put option. It's a bearish trade and the maximum loss is what you pay for the option. Swipe through to look at other strategies. Here's a call spread. Ready to try a call spread? Click Try It. And then choose the expiration date and strikes. Let's look at another strategy. Risk reversal. A risk reversal is buying a call and selling a put. It is often used to hedge a short position. Let's try it. There it is. Now let's look at the account section. Here's information about the account, net position by currency pair, and net position by currency. Open positions and pending orders. Risk manager showing details, risk measures, history of trade executions, closed trades, nothing here yet. So let's close this USD JPY call option. And just click close. Go back to close trades and there it is. I'd like to show you some of our charting capabilities. Let's click Cable GDP USD. This takes us to our trading screen. Go to the charting page by clicking Chart Only. Now we see Charts Only. When I click on the charting icon at the bottom right of the screen, we can change the type of chart. We have 4 types of charts: an area chart, a line chart, candlesticks, and open, high, low, close. At the top of the screen we can choose how much history we want to see. Here we can see the last hour of trading, or we can slide this across and show the last day of trading, or the last week of trading. In most trading platforms you can choose the size of the bar. We instead ask how much history would you like to see. The charting icon on the bottom right shows us the period of the bar we're looking at. In this case we're seeing 1 day of history using 15-minute bars. We can zoom in and see smaller bars. Now we're seeing 10-minute bars, 5-minute bars, 3-minute bars, 2-minute bars, etc. And the screen is always being updated by live market prices. Let's go back to one day of history. By clicking on the charting icon, I can also choose indicators. We offer SMA, Simple Moving Average, Bollinger Bands, EMA, Exponential Moving Average, Fractals, LWMI, Linear Weighted Moving Average, Parabolic Stop and Reverse, and SMMA, Smooth Moving Averages. For example, let's choose a Simple Moving Average. Choose how many data points we want in our example. We'll create a moving average of the last 10 data points. Make the line a little thicker here, and I will choose a color. Apply, and now you can see this simple moving average added to our chart. We can add more indicators. For example, let's add another simple moving average using a longer period, 15 data points. Make it a little thicker, and we'll use yellow. Apply. Change the type of chart we're looking at. Let's use an OHLC, Open High Low Close. We can print and bring in more data, and everything is updated. If we go back to a trading screen, these indicators are all preserved, and they will be preserved as you change charts to other currency pairs, etc. To remove them, click on the charting icon, go to Editing Tools, where we can remove one or both, or edit them. On the trading screens, we also have the ability to zoom in. But the last data point will always be the current market price. We can also pinch in more data. So that's an overview of charting in our trading platform. I hope you enjoyed it, and we look forward to hearing your feedback.